Okay, so guys, how to enable voice typing in Google Docs? First of all, just go to Google Docs, then create a blank document. As you guys can see, I am making a blank document, and now I will try to do voice typing. What I can do is go to tools and then I can click on voice typing, guys. When I click on voice typing, here you can see this is the pop-up we will see, and this is the language we are gonna speak. And to do that, first of all, you have to set up your mic. So my mic is already set up, guys. As you guys can see, I'll open my sound settings, and you have to do this also. Just change the output to the speakers you are listening the audio on, and also in the input tab you'll see your microphone, and in the volume tab you'll see the bar going up and down whenever we speak. So yeah guys, this must be working, guys, because if your microphone is not working, then it will be difficult for you to do this kind of stuff. But if your microphone is all right, then you can do that. You can use any kind of headphone, any kind of mic, or any kind of headphones you get with your mobile phones, etc. You can just do that. You can just do that and put that on the pink colored port, guys. Then your mic will work. As you guys can see, I am using the Red Gears mic, so I have selected this mic, and now the microphone is also working. As you guys can see, you can just set up your mic more by going to more sound settings and just go to recording. Then you'll see the microphone is working, and you can just select it to become the default device. As you guys can see, I can just right click on it and set as default device. This is my default device, which is my default microphone, and I can just click on properties, and on the listen and the level tab I can just increase the level. And if you want to listen to this device, if you want to listen that your voice is working or not, then you can just enable it and apply it. Then you can listen to your own voice. By this you will make sure that your microphone is working. So yeah guys, this is for the basic setup. Now let's try to speak something. So I'll just click on this. I will allow this time. So now guys, whatever I am going to speak is going to be written on this document, guys. As you guys can see, sometimes it makes some mistakes, but you can just fix it very easily, guys. So yeah guys, as you guys can see, it is writing whatever I'm speaking. So yeah guys, this is a very important tool, and this is going to be very helpful for you all. Thanks for watching this video, guys.